Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Wiggins lace frontal wig right here. The hair came in this cute brown packaging and it comes with an eyelashes, it comes with baby hair comb, it comes with baby hair scarf, and it also comes with this red orange cute bags to store your hair when you're done. There are actually two eyelashes included in the box, which is really amazing, and it also comes with a wig cap as well. So this is what the hair looks like straight from the box, guys. I am loving the curl pattern of this hair. The curl pattern is really cute. I love it. As you can tell, the hair is HD lace frontal wig, and it is 22 inches. Look at that. I love the curl pattern of the hair. And bear in mind, the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and the hair also comes with baby hair around the perimeter of it. So if you're the type that like baby hair, the hair definitely has baby hair around the perimeters of it. And as you can tell, the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box. And I really love the construction of the cap. The hair has two combs at the front, it has one comb at the back, and it also has an elastic strap as well, meaning this wig is actually glueless lace wig. You don't need to apply any glue or gel to install this wig. You can easily use the adjustable strap that is included in the construction of the cap, so you don't need any glue or gel to install the hair. Look at that, guys. I love the hairline of this hair. The hairline is really natural, and the lace is very transparent. Show me the lace, guys. I love the hairline. So all I did was just to cut the excess lace on my hair tab. I measured the cap from my hair to hair and cut off the excess lace, and I did the same thing on the other side as well. So for the installation of this hair is very simple. As I mentioned earlier, you don't need glue or gel, but if you decided to go for a glue if you decide to go for glue, it's so easy. Just wear your cap and then glue down your air tab, because the hair is really secured on my head, but because my air tab is always the difficult part for me, so in my opinion, you don't really need to apply glue on all over your lace or your forehead. Just do your hair tab only. As you can tell, I just added a bit of glue on my hair tab and then placed the lace of the wig exactly where I applied the glue, and I used my blow dryer to blow dry the hair just to make it lay flat and melted. And then I applied my comb pressure on the lace. Look at that, guys. The lace is melted. I did the same thing on the other side as well. So you lift your hair up from your hair tab, apply the glue or gel, whichever one you decide to go for, and then place the lace of the wig on top of the glue or the gel that you decide to go for, and then voila, the lace is melted. I really love the lace of this wig. Like, seriously, look at that. Show me the lace, guys. Show me the lace. So I then went ahead and applied a bit of it on the hair, just to be able to differentiate the baby hair from the real hair, because I don't want to cut the hair. So I took out the baby hair from the hair. As I said, it has baby hair around the perimeters of it, but I'm not the type that really wear baby hair, so it's quite a bit of new thing for me. But let's just try how we go. So I did go for it, and I put my hair up and then cut off the extra length of the baby hair. I'm just doing this just to flatten the hair and be able to separate the baby hair from the real hair. So yeah, I took off the scarf and then cut off the excess length of the baby hair, then swoop. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Feel free to go for baby hair if you like baby hair, and if you don't, feel free to just brush the hair on the hair, brush the baby hair on the hair, and you still be good to go, because you don't have to. But I just decided to go for baby hair, really, just for a change or just for something different. So yeah, it's very simple. Cut off the excess length of the hair, and then swoop left or right, depending on you, depending on how you want your baby hair or where you want your baby hair to lay. And then, as you can tell, the hair can be part anywhere. You can part the hair anywhere. You can go for center parts, you can go for half parts, you can go for any part of your choice. Look at that, guys. The lace is really transparent to the point that you don't need any foundation or concealer to differentiate your part or to saturate on your part. I really love the lace of this wig. And then voila, look at that. Woohoo! Cut the lace, apply baby hair, you're good to go. You are good to go. Look at that. I am loving it. I am loving it. I really love the quality of this hair, because throughout the processing of this hair, I didn't experience any shedding whatsoever, and I'm still wearing the hair and I receive a lot of compliments of this hair. I love the quality of this hair. No shedding, no nasty smell, no tangling whatsoever. The hair is still so soft and very silky to touch, and as you can tell, the hair is really full. I love the fact that the length of the hair from the head to the toe, from the top to the bottom of it is the same length all through. No scantiness, no nastiness or anything like that. The hair is just top quality for me, and I am loving it so far. Look at that. And I like the fact that they're also generous with their lengths. Look at 22 inches. I'm 5.6 feet long. I love the fact that the hair is almost up to my bum, so I really love the fact that they were generous with their length. So I thought, you know what, let's just go for something different. Like, let us take this step a bit further. So I decided to spray water on the hair, and that was all. Look at that. The curls are popping. You don't need any product on your hair. Just get your water bottle and spray water on the hair. Look at that. Look at that. The curls are popping. I love the fact that this hair is so versatile that you can wear it wet, you can wear it dry, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. If you're tired of wearing it full, just spray your water, just spray water on the hair, and bow. Look at that. Look at that. The curls are popping. I was feeling myself. I just couldn't help the fact that I was feeling the quality of the hair. Look at the curls, the same throughout the length of the hair. Stay tuned for my review. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Wiggins lace frontal wig right here. Guys, I am loving it. This hair is really giving me life. So I'm just gonna go straight to the point and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. So the first thing I noticed straight from the box is the fact that the curls are popping, guys. I really love the curl pattern of this hair. I like the fact that the curls were popping straight from the box. Like, seriously, I am a huge fan. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that the hair is also beginner friendly. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that the hair has been plucked straight from the box, so you don't have to worry about plucking your frontal, so you don't have to stress yourself about that at all. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that the quality of the hair is just top notch. The quality of the hair is just superb. Like, seriously, top notch for me. Look at that. The hair is really soft and very silky. Despite the fact that the hair is coily hair, there has been no shedding, no tangling whatsoever. Throughout the styling of this hair, I have been putting my hair through in and out of this hair, and I didn't experience any shedding at all. Any shedding at all. Not even one strand of this hair has actually fallen since I have been styling this hair. Another thing I like about this hair is the fact that there has been no nasty smell whatsoever, and I also like the fact that the hair is true to length. I believe Wiggins hair are always very generous with their length. 22 inches to reach almost to my bum. I think they are very generous with their length. So yeah, I'm quite loving the hair. I love the quality of the hair. I love the fact that the hair is really soft. Oh my days, I don't want to stop touching this hair, trust me. So silky and smooth to touch. Another thing I like about this hair is the lace. The lace is really soft. You guys can tell when I put it on my skin, it's just disappeared into my skin. It melted into my skin. I really love the lace of this wig, and bear in mind that you don't have to apply any foundation or concealer on your part, because the lace is HD, so it's very transparent and melted into my skin. So one of the most important thing that I really love about this hair is the lace, guys. I love the fact that it's easy to work with. It gives you that, my hair but longer kind of vibe, if that makes sense. As you guys can tell, it's melted into my skin. Like, show me the lace, guys. Show me the laces. Show me the lace. Where is the lace, please? Like, show me the lace. What lace? It melted into my skin. I really love the lace of this wig. It's one of the most selling points in my opinion. And if you guys don't know Wiggins Hair are a hair brand that sells all types of lace wig on their website. They have lace frontal wig, they have lace closure wig, they have 13x6 lace frontal wig, and they have all types of hairstyle on their website as well. They have body wave, they have, you know, curly hair, they have straight hair, they have colored hair, they have all types of hair on their website and styles. So if you visit their website, you definitely find something for you and your loved ones. Another thing I like about Wiggins is the fact that they've been in this game for long, so when it comes to quality, you can be rest assured that you're getting a real quality hair from Wiggins Hair. Then I assure you that if you get a lace wig from them, you're definitely getting a quality hair. So yeah, I love the brand. I love the quality of their hair, and I also love the fact that their shipping was really quick. It took exactly 4 days to get here in the UK, which is one of the amazing things I like about the brand. The construction of this cap is very slick. I love the fact that they pay attention to details when it comes to the quality of their wig. So yeah, would I really recommend this hair? Absolutely. I would definitely recommend Wiggins Hair because in terms of quality, it's definitely A+ for me and top notch. And in terms of the lace, definitely A+ for me. The lace is really amazing. And in terms of their shipping, it's definitely A+ for me. In terms of the construction of the cap, it's definitely A+ for me. And in terms of the curls, guys, it's definitely A+ for me. The curls are popping. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.